In this video, I'll show you how to change yarn in the middle of a row when you're double crocheting. I've already crocheted up a few rows of double crochet here, and now I'm going to add this new color in. To do this, when we work our last double crochet of that color, we aren't going to finish that double crochet. We're going to leave 2 loops on our hook, and then simply grab the new yarn and pull that through those 2 loops. Then we'll work the double crochet with the new color, however many stitches we need for our project. I'm going to do 4 here as an example. And as I work these, I'm going to be taking my maroon yarn and making sure it's laid down at the bottom here so that I can easily pick the maroon yarn back up here in just a moment. So now that I've done 4 of these, I'm going to switch back to the maroon, and I will do it the same way, not finishing my last double crochet and leaving 2 loops on the hook, and grabbing my maroon yarn and pull that through those 2 loops. If we try to move over with that pink yarn, it's not going to work. It's going to show through our project. The only way that works of tucking that yarn down there is if the row below it is the same color. So now I'll go ahead and do a couple more maroon double crochets here, and then I'm going to be taking a new strand of my light pink yarn, and I'm going to do 2 stitches here. And so you can see here that I made a mistake and started to finish my double crochet. It's kind of a hard habit to break sometimes, but no worries, it happens to all of us. Just undo it here, redo this double crochet, then I'm going to switch it back and finish out this row with the burgundy. This is pretty simple to change colors in the middle of a row, especially if you're doing it freestyle and not having to keep up with the pattern. If this video was helpful, please be sure to hit that like button to show your support so I can continue to make more instructional videos for you. Have a great day, everyone.